Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Trend Spotter Shubham. We are back with another exciting video on market analysis for tomorrow, where we will see how markets performed today, whether they performed as per our analysis, and we will also see how they are expected to perform tomorrow. But before we start with the analysis, make sure to check out my Telegram channel, Trend Spotter Shubham, where you will get live market analysis, buy sell recommendations, answers to all your stock queries, and much more. So, without wasting any time, let us start with today's analysis. But, like always, before we start with the analysis for tomorrow, let us again take a quick recap on how we had expected the markets could move today in our previous analysis video and how accurately, once again, the market actually performed today. For Monday specifically, I do think that market might take some more time in this white area. Market might want to spend some more time. So probably first half of Monday, we will again see some movement in this 100 to 150 point region. And maybe in second half or probably by Tuesday or maximum by Wednesday, we can see a good directional momentum. So we see that once again our analysis, our view on Nifty was 100% correct for today, and the Nifty, the index moved exactly in this white region for the entire day today. It moved between 17,000 and 17,150 throughout the day. It also opened in this light blue rectangle, which has been in our focus since many days. It opened in this rectangle, it breached this support zone for few minutes, it trapped a few sellers here, and after successfully trapping a sufficient number of sellers, it bounced back sharply, and throughout the day it kept moving on the upside and closed at the highest point of the day. So once again, our Nifty view for the day was absolutely correct. The kind of movement Nifty has given again strengthens our viewpoint that in the short trend, in the short term, Nifty is in an upside motion. And therefore, for tomorrow also, we will take a view on the upside. This light blue rectangle has been strengthened today. The upside is intact, and the Nifty is showing a strong momentum towards this first hurdle of 17,150 and 200, and then the second hurdle of 17,300. So we will have an upside view for tomorrow also, but we will play this upside according to the opening. The kind of opening that we get, we will take an action accordingly. If we get an opening, a flat opening or a slightly down opening, only then we will look to take a view on the upside. We will take a long position. If Nifty opens gap up either in this region or in this region, there is no point to go long, because Nifty might face some selling pressure if it opens gap up in this region or in this region. So if we need to go long in the index, we want the index to open either flat tomorrow, somewhere at 17,080 levels, or with a slight downward pressure at around 17,300, 17,030 or 17,040 levels. If we get an opening around in this region, we will look to go long for a target of 100 to 200 points. And if the Nifty opens gap up either in this region or a big gap up in this region, we will avoid any trade and we will sit on the sidelines, wait for a price action, wait for Nifty to come back around these levels, and then we will take a view for the upside. But for any upside view, our stop loss will be this crucial light blue rectangle region of 16,900 to 16,970. This 70 to 100 point region is our key support zone for Nifty and for any upside to remain intact. Now let us check Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly performed as per our analysis for today. So the Bank Nifty has a similar view. We were expecting Bank Nifty to consolidate in this region. In last week's Thursday's video, I did tell that Bank Nifty wants to spend some more time in this light blue region. And today also it had spent the entire day in this region itself, and by the closing hours it surpassed this region and closed minorly above this light blue rectangle region and closed above 35,000 level. So the view in Bank Nifty in short term is also on the upside, and therefore we will have a view, we will play on the upside. Our targets on the upside will be around 35,600, 35,700 region. These are the immediate targets, and the next target will be around 36,500. So the immediate target is also a handsome 600 to 700 point target, while the bigger target is about 1500 points from the current level. However, to play Bank Nifty on the upside, we would want the index to open either flat or with a minor negative sentiment in the morning, so that we get a good entry point and the risk reward ratio is favorable, it is in a comfortable situation. We do not want Bank Nifty to open here or to open here. If Bank Nifty opens with a small gap up or with a big gap up, we will sit on the sidelines and we will wait for the price action, and we will not take any trade in the opening hours. So view for tomorrow will remain on the upside. Possibilities are there that we might get a sharp upside momentum in the second half of the day. Targets on Nifty will be 17,200 and 17,250 region, either on Tuesday or on Wednesday. Target for Bank Nifty will be 35,600 and around 36,000 region for tomorrow. Or Wednesday, we can expect a good uptrend, a good directional motion for both the index. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you liked the video, if you liked the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out my Telegram page, TrendSpotter Shubham, where you can find live market analysis and answers to all your stock queries. Do join the channel. Thank you, guys.